Vietnamese fairy tales.
Once upon a time, there was a young king who married his queen, who was the most beautiful girl in the kingdom. The queen then gave birth to twins. The princess was named Sunflower, and the prince was named Lillian. They were both pretty and benevolent. Soon after, the queen died. The king married another beautiful woman. The queen was very jealous of the beauty of Princess Sunflower. She always tried to make Sunflower leave the palace. She came to meet an evil witch in the deep forest. The witch gave her a magic wine bottle. Then she gave Sunflower a drink. Immediately, Sunflower turned into an ugly bird and flew out of the palace. The king sorrowed over his daughter's missing. He couldn't eat and drink anything. Prince Lillian was also heartbroken, so he decided to go and find his sister. One day, his horse suddenly died, so he had to go on food. After a while, Lillian saw a dirty old man lying on the road. He said, "I'm very hungry. I can't walk." Lillian hurriedly gave food to him. After waking up, he said, "I want to go home, but my legs hurt." "Let me carry you on my back," said Lillian. The old man asked in astonishment, "Don't you see how dirty I am?" Lillian didn't answer and carried him up. Then a hollow shone up and surrounded them. The old man disappeared. Then he reappeared in a gorgeous outfit. He said, "I am a fairy. You are very kind, so I come here to help. The queen is actually a weasel. When she sleeps, you can see her tail. If you cut off that tail, your sister will return to human form." "But I don't know where my sister is," said Lillian. "Go straight ahead and you can find her," said the fairy. After saying that, the fairy disappeared. Later, Lillian's horse ran towards him. It had revived. Lillian kept going. Suddenly, a bird flew down and landed on his shoulder. He knew that it was Princess Sunflower. Lillian rushed to the palace. He hid the bird in a secret place. He stayed in the queen's room and waited until she went to bed. The queen didn't know anything. By midnight, she fell asleep. The tail came out. Lillian immediately swung his sword and cut off the tail. The queen then turned into a weasel and ran away. At that time, the bird turned into Princess Sunflower. The twins happily hugged each other. Since then, the king married no one.